Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the Marvel Blu-ray unboxing, and this time I'm going to be doing Captain America Brave New World, and it just came to Blu-ray recently, and this is the latest movie besides Thunderbolts. We got Sam Wilson Captain America, the new Falcon, and the Jets, and also Red Hulk in the case here. And Red Devon Soup Captain America right here too, along with the White House right in the background. And then we got the back of the case with Sam Wilson and Captain America, along with New Falcon in the background with some scenes from the movie, along with some bonus features that come in the movie. Then let's get the plastic off and take a look at the Blu-ray. Now that plastic is off, let's take a look at what this Blu-ray is going to be looking like. And this is what the Blu-ray disc looks like, and which kind of looks cool. And with Red Hulk looking menacingly right on the front with a red background to it. And that's going to be it for today's unboxing. And you've enjoyed today's Captain America Brave New World Blu-ray unboxing. Make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you will be notified of when a new video is uploaded to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.